Hi, good afternoon teman Pro 2.
Wah, good afternoon.
Yeah, welcome back to English Corner.
Yay! Listen us to know the word more.
Yes, how are you everybody? How are you Kakak Iren?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you, Tris?
Yeah, I'm very well, thank you. And it's today I'm very happy, glad to see teman Pro 2
Yes,
today.
that's
Yeah.
right.
And yeah, today also we have special things to
discuss.
to deliver some information to teman Pro 2
Yes.
who maybe listen us in 105.4 FM or on YouTube channel
RRI Singaraja Official,
Yes.
also rri.co.id and RRI Digital. Okay.
Yeah, today
So-
previous we have talked you about some location or places, interesting places or tourism places in Bali, including traditional foods and many things about that. And today we have it's all special because these traditions is commonly make visitors who come to Bali is very enthusiastic and also what is that want to know more about this ceremony or rituals, and we will discuss it 1 hour ahead until 6 p.m. with us Tris and also Kakak Iren.
In English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more. Culture shapes the way people see the world and can be taught as the way in which people preserve society and meet a range of human needs. Their belief systems, behaviors, and traditions are only a few factors that make up a culture. It is easy to be unaware of the tremendous impact culture plays in our life when we are surrounded by individuals who share the same assumptions and shared values. We may experience culture shock when we find ourselves in a culture different from the one we are accustomed to. Culture shock is the feeling of disorientation experienced by someone when they are suddenly subjected to an unfamiliar culture and way of life. It can be caused by a range of things, both big and small, such as unfamiliar clothing and hand gestures, strange food, difficult language barriers, getting lost in a new city, or making a cultural false path because you didn't know the local custom. This unfamiliarity can lead to symptoms such as confusion, anxiety, frustration, loneliness, and homesickness. It can even lead to physical symptoms such as insomnia as a result of time zone changes, or colds and stomach bugs due to unfamiliar foods and bacteria.
Pro 2 RRI Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu, and you are listening English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more. And as we
Yes.
previously said, today we have a ritual or ceremony in Bali, in Bali, for especially for Hindu Balinese, that it is kind of a must things to do, the ceremony for Hindus Balinese, that is we call as metata.
Tata or mepandes.
Mepandes,
Yeah.
mesangi,
Mesangi,
is also,
yeah,
in
also
English
same.
we say that tooth filling.
Yeah.
What is actually the ceremony, Kakak Iren? Or maybe we can before we go through to the explanation, maybe Kak Iren is already done this ceremony.
Already, because
Yes.
already married, yeah.
Yeah. In what I mean, in what age? Do you still remember?
It's about 24 24, yeah.
24, yeah, before married, yeah. And yes, and I also have done this ceremony, if I'm not mistaken, is around 18.
Oh, 18,
Yeah, I
okay.
remember that I was in a senior high school, and we are together in my siblings, done this ceremony because my sister we got married at that time. So before married, so we have done this ceremony.
It must,
Yeah,
in
it's a must.
Hindus, in
Yeah.
Balinese, especially for our parents. It's
Yeah.
like what is it?
Obligations?
Obligation.
To for their children, you have done the ceremony.
Yes.
And yes, beside that, tooth filling or matata is very important perform,
Yes.
when the children come of age.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Especially for girls, who have already got their first
Menstruation.
menstruations, and for the boy when
The voice.
the voice is changed.
Yeah. Okay.
Or we can say that akil balik.
Like that. In Bali menek bajang.
Menek
gitu ya.
bajang,
Okay.
we say that menek bajang. So that's the sign that the parents is can make sure and also ready to make the ceremony for their children.
Okay.
And as what Kakak Iren said, that even maybe the parents maybe cannot do the ceremony soon after the children get of age. But
Okay.
actually this ceremony it can be done when the children was that before married or death.
That. Okay.
That's must.
Yeah.
But if in any occasion or maybe situation, someone death, something like that, the ceremony have to be done before the cremation, Kakak Iren,
Okay.
It's a must, because what's that? We believe, it's a kind of Hindu Balinese belief that this ceremony is a must to do in our life, because it have what's that meaning, behind why we
Why we
have
should,
this ceremony.
Okay, so it's like what is that? What is hutang in English?
Like some that this is
Hutang
the
for our parents.
from parents to their children is a must, and also it's not only for Balinese people, but also it what's that help for example. Western women, foreigners, women who marries
Yes.
a man, a Balinese man. She also have to go through this ceremony.
Okay.
Before they married or enter the family.
Okay, so
So,
it means that it is must,
Yes, this is a must.
to be a Balinese people when will married. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. And what is actually the meaning of this ceremony, this ritual ceremony? We will back to give you the complete information.
Yes,
Yes, stay
that's
tuned.
right. So don't forget to comment in our live chat YouTube channel RRI
That's right.
Official about your experiment
Yeah.
about the matata or merpandes or mesangi in your
Or maybe you want to know how we
RRI Digital. Nikmati kemudahan interaksi, partisipasi, dan kolaborasi dengan RRI Digital. Interaksi, dengar dan saksikan siaran langsung kami, daftarkan akun kamu, dan mulailah berinteraksi di setiap program dan konten kami. Partisipasi, kreasikan konten kamu dengan berita, podcast, vlog, film, musik, dan playlist. Kolaborasi, kami mengajak berbagai komunitas untuk berkembang bersama melalui digital platform. RRI Digital sekarang menghadirkan terobosan baru, Workspace Platform dan Online Learning Platform dengan fasilitas-fasilitas unggulan, monitor impact dan outcome, meeting online, video conference, dan library. RRI Digital menghadirkan fitur-fitur untuk peningkatan interaksi, partisipasi, kolaborasi, workspace, dan learning. Yuk, segera download RRI Digital.
Well, teman Pro 2, still with me Irena Mora.
And Trace Mallory, yeah.
English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more.
We are talking about metata or mesange, mepandes, yeah, in Balinese traditional or Balinese culture, yeah, especially. So, actually, Tris, when to feel, yeah, it is it's to control, yeah,
Yeah,
satripu, like that,
satripu,
yeah.
yeah.
It is mean that evil woman, evil human, yeah,
Every human.
characteristic, yeah, in
Yes.
every person,
Person,
okay.
yeah. Because we know that in Balinese belief, that the person's canines, teeth, are gigi taring.
Yeah.
So why is gigi taring?
No.
Yeah, there's a symbol. Why is that are regarded as animalistic features?
Yeah, animalistic, yes.
Yeah, gigi taring. So that it is believed in Hindu Balinese that people who still have canine teeth before get or have metata, whole family also have to have this ceremony for their children. And usually Kakak Iran in Bali tradition, we also can have this or perform these rituals together with
Okay.
other family, in a big family, so that we can make the that every ceremony in Bali usually take a high cost.
Oh, yes.
So when we have it together with a big members of family, it can be shared.
Okay.
Yeah, the cost it can be shared. So for usually for poor family can be shared the cost, and sometimes also the government help them to have the ceremony.
The program. So it's called in Bali actually metata masal,
yeah,
okay.
because there are a lot of people doing the ceremony at the same time.
Together,
That's why
yeah.
we said it's masal.
Okay. So there are so many comments here.
In
In YouTube channel, RRI
YouTube
Official.
channel,
Thank you
yeah.
so much for
the comment.
ex from your friend from
Yes, Mehmet and Turkey. Hi, and also the friends there, because they said that it's very informative program that can give any solution or information when they come to Bali, so we can know what is Bali about, the destination and also the culture, something like that. Thank you, Mehmet and friends. What is
thank
others comment?
What is it? Tusat, hello katanya. Okay. Ediviana, hello ladies.
Hello, hi ladies. Yeah, that's different. It's a song. And then
Fantastic from Briliana, and there's what is it?
Kurniawan
Monica.
also.
Okay, so many.
Briliana, hi, Churgay. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Femina Power also. Yes,
Okay,
and
we
everybody.
have one more
Session.
session, to discuss about
Yeah.
Metata. And we are learning about the commands.
Yeah. Make us laugh very much, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kakak Eka. Okay, this is our last session. So, how actually tooth filling conduct, something like that. Kak Iran, when the children that have this ceremony, the first thing to do, the top front six teeth filled crosswise so
Yeah.
that the teeth are even. Yeah. It maybe when we listen the words tooth filling, it
Yes.
means that our teeth is cut, something like that. Yeah, but it's actually as symbolized. Yeah,
Yeah.
how the teeth is filled to make it even, something like
Yeah.
that. Not all our teeth is feeling something like that, but it's only the symbol. Yeah.
Like us, yeah, I still like
yeah, we have
a teeth, yeah.
This is
Even though already metatah, yeah.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
And
So,
and also the ceremony done by a priest. Yeah, we said as the holy person in Bali. We call it priest, and also accompanied with prayers and offerings. Yeah, we know every ceremony in Bali is completed by offerings and also prayers. Yeah. And then it starts.
Yeah, start of the ceremony, the child will ask, yeah, for blessing
Yeah,
of
blessing to the God.
both parents,
Yeah,
yeah,
and also parents and other member of family, the senior.
yeah, and then we are going to lying down on the special high platform made of bamboo
Yes.
and covered by colorful textile and draperies.
Yes,
yeah.
and also the children who have the ceremonials usually get dressed. Yeah, using
Special.
Balinese
Yeah.
costume.
Costume and then special is one the white yellow what is it
Color,
yeah,
clothes,
for-
yeah,
clothes.
that symbolize as what is that? The holiness. Yeah,
White,
we
yellow, yeah.
believe yeah, the white and yellow color is holiness. Yeah, symbolize of
Yeah,
holiness.
that's right.
And also usually do you still remember Kak Iren
Yeah.
what do you feel when you have this ceremony?
The remember things that like we try like what is 6 flavors like a spicy, one,
Spicy, and
yeah,
then
sweet, yeah, sour,
And
salty,
then salty,
like
bitter,
that, yeah.
astringent
and the
also.
last is the sweet one.
The
Yeah.
sweet one, yeah.
Because it like our life, yeah.
Yeah.
There's happiness, sour,
sadness.
salty, yeah, spicy,
Spicy,
Yeah.
not on the food we taste, but
Yeah.
also in life we
in life,
often
yeah,
go
in
through.
our real life, yeah, we often what is it?
Maybe
Feel,
a
yeah, feel
or,
that,
feel
yeah, and
that.
the last one until we have our sweet life, like
Yeah.
that. That's the meaning, yeah.
That's the meaning, the symbolize. Yeah, that
symbolize.
in this life we also taste not only happiness but also sometimes sorrow,
Yeah,
sadness, anger. Yeah, that our life is colorful.
yeah, colorful.
Yeah, and as what we Kakak Iran said, the last one is sweet because we all people I think expect their life happy at the end. Yeah,
At the end of the
yeah.
all that we pass it. Okay.
Yeah. Also, that's the conclusion is this is what's that like symbol? Yeah, the child is ready to feel all the flavors in life.
Yeah, it's alive.
And also after that, not only the as I remember Kak Iren, not only taste some what's that taste, flavor, but also we do as that ask blessing for parents.
Parents.
Yeah, we call it sungkem. Yeah, we ask for forgiveness because maybe we ever met
Yeah.
them sad, angry, something like that.
like that.
So this is the moment we ask for their forgiveness.
This is the sad one, yeah.
Yeah, the most saddest part in the ceremony. And you know, I cry a lot because not only I, but also my sister, my brother, even my parents, and also the other family. We cry together because this is what's that? Yeah, we realize
Yeah.
that. Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
maybe in our life from child, from
Yeah.
as our age now is often make
So
their parents
emotional this
disappointed.
part, yeah.
Yes,
It's
that's
very
right.
emotional one. Okay.
Yeah, and finally, this is ceremony can be said as represent the end of
Yeah.
father and mother's responsibility
Responsibility,
for their children. Not only, not only for their daily needs only, but also this ceremony is called as a responsibility that
Responsibility,
should be paid before the children, their children go through other life,
yeah.
married.
Yes. Okay. So it's time to end this
Say
program.
goodbye
Thank you
because
so
the
much.
time is up, and this is also the sad part
Yeah.
for us. Yeah.
We will meet you again next
Yeah.
week, teman Pro 2
And-
in English Corner.
Yes, and this is time for us to say goodbye. Have a nice day and weekend. Bye.
Karena udah jam 6 sore, sembahyang puji